Welcome back to another episode, man. Thanks for tuning back into the YouTube channel, man. You see that? I'm gonna show y'all how to do this real quick. We're gonna be building my VSKFs. That's right, I'm gonna be rebuilding my VSKFs today, and hoping this episode get them mounted and finally dial the car. So I guess a quick little rundown if y'all don't know what they are. 3-piece wheels are obviously outer lip, the face, and the inner barrel. And when you put all this together, you get this. But I loosened all these bolts just in case some buffoonery happens, and buffoonery did happen. So each one of these that have a little like helicopter thing on it is stripped, or not stripped, rounded off. So I'm gonna show you how to get these rounded off ones, as well as take apart like every wheel and what tools you need, what you're gonna need to start off with. I'll do this on order. So if anything, before you start rebuilding these wheels or any 3-piece wheels, please hit them with some PB Blaster, like WD-4 or whatever it's gonna like, or some rusty, I don't know what they're called, like whatever can break free rusty nuts. Or if wheels are new, don't worry about it, but if they're old like these are, use some PB, bro, trust me. Save yourself the headache. I got lucky with these ones, so I got 1, 2, I took that one out, 3, I think 4 in total bolts were stripped. So let me show you what you need. So for VSKFs, the 18 one, you're gonna need a, what's it called? A M7 Allen key, hex nut, hex key. I don't know what they're called, but it's an M7. See if I can get it. M7, it's like a star. M7 star, that's what it's called, M7 star. You need that, and then obviously you'll need a 10mm for the back of these. So basically what you're doing is put your 10mm wrench on the nut back here, and put the M7 star socket on here, and you just twist, and then that's it. That's what I'm gonna do. All right, they are all out. All right, once you get the main hardware out, you have to get the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 bolts out. Just like the rest of the back bolts, these are also 10s as well. I got gloves on because there's metal shavings in here. I'm gonna take these out and split the wheels. Split them right here. Just get a knife and just cut all the way through. Go deep, or don't go deep. It's up to you. It's personal, bro. You'll know. You can literally feel it. But jump on the face. You don't jump on the face. It might just come out. But I can't explain it. I'll just show you how to do it. So I got your wheel, everything, all the hardware. All the hardware. So you cut the weld, or you cut like the silicone seal and whatnot. So all you gotta do, bro, is just grab this motherfucker. All right, now the whole reason for taking these wheels apart. For these bad, oh shit, okay. All right, for these, grab out the box. Brand new VR wheels, polished 5-inch outer lips, which are gonna be replacing the 4-inch lips because I need big lips. Damn, I'm sweating. All right, next up is grab your knife you had earlier and cut most of the silicone off. That way this will work, because if you just bring the wire wheel on here, or maybe it's just my wire wheel, I don't know. But I can't be doing my wire wheel. This shit says snap on, bro. I'll pay money for that. But nah, so yeah, get yourself a knife, cut all the silicone off of the inner barrel, and then wire the fuck out of it. Barrels are all clean. Hit it with the wire wheel. Wash them down and clean the inner barrels. That little yucky part right there, I clean them with Diablo wheel. Damn, a wedgie. With Diablo wheel cleaner. So next up is to put the wheels together. So all I gotta do is remember how to do this. My homie not here, so I don't know how to do it. I forgot how to do it. Pure ice, look at that. You can see my GoPro in the lip, brand new. Had to put the gloves on for that. I can't wait to put these. Wait, hold on, let me just, let's find out right now what it look like. I mean, I already know what it looks like. It's exactly like that, but without the stuff in it. Ooh, that looks so good, man. Wait, oh, she got it. But yeah, that looks fire. I'm already ready to put the KF in there and see what happens. Pre-thumbnail before you see the thumbnail, isn't that crazy? Wait. Okay, anyways, next up is to put the face in. But before you put the face in, you have to line the holes up, because You have to worry about these mini ones right here because these have to go in before you put these, I think. All right, I don't know where we're at, but we're here now. So, oh, that's gonna stay in. That was cool. Well, okay, so put these in when, actually I will show you guys. That's what we're doing right here. This is the final product. This is the easiest and best way to do it. Is literally get a stool, put the face, then the lip, and then the inner barrel. Let's say it again. Face, outer lip, then inner barrel. For VSKs, I don't know about other wheels. Well, no. VSXs are the same way, but VSXs are a lot easier to assemble. Like these, mad easy to assemble. Those are the easiest wheels I've ever assembled. The second wheels I've ever assembled. Actually, my first wheels I ever. Fuck, I'm just gonna delete the whole thing. But for assembling wise, you get your face, put it down like this, get your little hardware bolts like this, and then, as I said earlier, put the lip on first. This is how you do it. Easiest way. So all the bolts are sitting up straight, or as straight as possible. No. Gentle. Careful. Careful. And it's pretty simple. You just gotta just do it. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm kidding. What you want to do is work your way around it. So start with 2, obviously, and then work your way around it. So here's the wheel. You just sandwich it pretty much like that. Instead of going straight down, you just work your way until everything works. Common sense. You know what I'm saying? And then push it down. If you don't push it down, it's not gonna work. So make sure you push the lip down onto the face so that these have a lot of room. Because then up next is the inner barrel. This is the simple part. Keep your valve stem in and make your life easy. Literally. All you gotta do is just drop it in there. And now the lip is already on. It should go in easy. Oh fuck, I fucked it up. I capped. Once the inner barrel's in, press this down as well until this is flush right here. If you're struggling to do it, just hit it. You're gonna be cringing at this shit. Ain't nobody gonna buy these wheels after seeing this video. Get your hardware and put them in the wheel. You know what I'm saying? It's day 2. Got a little late last time. Where were we? I don't know, we're here now. So I put all the hardware in, as you can see. And the same way you took it out, the same way you put it back in. For me personally. What I do is like the same way you do a wheel, go start pairing like bop, 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 like that. You do it for this, that way everything goes down evenly on the wheel because nobody wants a wobble. Next up is to seal them. So I'm gonna tape around here and then tape around here, obviously. I will show you the silicone that I'm using and then I will, well, do the silicone and that'll literally be it. So I am using just regular masking tape I was on Home Depot or whatever. So I'm gonna tape those and then also, oops, I'm using this type of silicone, advanced silicone, 100% waterproof. Make sure it's 100% waterproof. I don't know if moisture does build up in these tires, but if it does, make sure it's 100% waterproof. Alright, all taped up. Now for the silicone. And for the silicone, don't go crazy on it. Just a little bit goes a long way. And when you're done doing it, put your finger on it and I shall just show you. Silicone's on. All you gotta do is bring your finger. Let me just show you. As you can see, silicone is on. And I'll show you how to do this. So I'm not like I said earlier, I'm not professional, so this is how I do it. I just put my finger on there and pull down like so. The tape is there, so if it goes past it, it doesn't look like poo-poo. But yeah, that's really all you do. So I'll be back when I'm done. Yeah, I'll be back when I'm done. Here is the finished product. This is probably the best I've ever done, to be honest. Yeah, it looks good. I'm happy with that. I'm gonna load these into the car. The tires in the car as well, and drop them off. So if you were watching just to see how it's done later, and if you're still sticking around, y'all finna see me dump this car, bro. I'm gonna max coilovers up. I ain't gonna do that for real. But yeah, next up for real though is to put these in there. Well, I'm gonna let them dry out first, and then put them in there, put tires in there, take them stack and jack, and bring them back. I might bring the camera this time, I might not, we'll see. I don't know, but see you tomorrow. Bro, cuz came in clutch as fuck. But let's go home and finish this shit, bruh. Nigga got that burp on that bitch. It's sorry, shit fire. I'm home. I'm sweaty. I've been busy. Look at that. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Once again, man, shout out to Tyler, bro, because last minute came in clutch. That should look good, huh? Yeah. But if you're not local, there is a car show coming up tomorrow. Next week for you, tomorrow for me. So I'm trying to get the car ready and decent again, because it's kind of clapped. But I don't know if I explained it, but I did lower the car some more and added more camber. I don't know if I said that. If I didn't, now you know. But yeah, it's now lower. It's actually about the same height as this right now. I was hoping I can turn. I'm about to go drive it and see what happens. If I can't turn, I'm still gonna leave it like that, to be honest. And then front bumper and lip has to go on. Side skirt splitter's on. Rear lip is on, and wheels are on. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I hope you guys enjoyed the build or DIY, how to, I don't know, instruction video on how to build your work VSKFs and work VSKFs. I'm sorry I'm rambling. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you guys learned something new. Maybe I taught you something, maybe I didn't, I don't know. But car looks great. That's cool. Yeah, car looks great. I'm happy about it. And if you're not sub, go ahead and sub. If you liked it, like it. If you didn't like it anyways, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. You made it this far, I might as well like it, to be honest. But yeah, hope I see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for always showing some love and support. All the homies sharing my stuff, thank you. But I will see you in the next video. Later.